don't know if you'll be able to tell. Ribbon Road, Ribbon Candy Road.
It's a piece of bacon.
Pine trees.
Hey, this is our bonus adventure. We're taking Connie and Tracy to go on a little adventure. It's a surprise. We haven't told them where they're going yet. This is mainly to thank Connie for letting us stay at her house while we're going through our transition.
Yeah, or soda, that's right. But there's a lot of people living there, but not have a trains coming too.
There's probably a little, like a market,
I would imagine.
I would imagine.
Where you get
So-
milk and eggs. And...
For like $10 for a box of cereal.
Yeah. That was pretty cool looking.
So where do you ladies think we're going today?
Tracy May, I think we're headed northeast, maybe to Montana or Wyoming. I don't know. What do you think, Trace?
It's a mystery to me.
A fun mystery.
Yes. It's a surprise. This is a back road, right? This is the road I would...
Well, they figured out where we're going. They've never been there, so they're excited.
A ghost town. We're going to a ghost town.
And the name is
Chesterfield.
Chesterfield in Idaho.
Yep.
A ghost town, yay!
It's a good one too.
I can't wait.
Wait till you see it.
I can't wait. This is exciting. I'm so glad. I told Connie, I think the surprise is either...
What she did when she got in the truck, she says, I think they're taking us to a ghost town. I said, I don't know of any in Idaho.
Yeah, a ghost town.
But they are all over. This is exciting.
This is so exciting.
We're in Bancroft.
Lots of these old ghost towns, they died because the railroad came into town and nobody had to use the old trails anymore. You just bring your goods in on the railroad.
Look at the hand cart. So it was me too.
Shaking right up.
This is a well-taken ghost town. We're in Chesterfield, checking out old houses.
See, I can say, check out my friend's YouTube channel. Oh, I'm step in this mud.
It is money. Oh.
Oh, look at that beautiful old wood. Wouldn't you love to? I would love to get that and make some picture frames out of that.
I need to go to the bathroom. I know. Talk to us. Say, we're restoring this old cabin up here in Chesterfield, and just look how amazing it is. And it's so old. Can you imagine living here like in the 1880s? How scary it could be, and you've got 3 rooms.
So are you having fun?
Oh,
That was so much fun.
they're talking about how cool this is. So
And
excited.
we thank you so much for letting us enjoy this part of your adventure. It's awesome.
Damn.
Tracy, you gotta get your other leg first.
I can't. I'm rolling in.
Oh God, get in
There.
here.
Okay, now, see, this is
Okay.
90% of the struggle is over.
Why didn't you use your leg?
We better not get out too many more times.
You're not allowed out of the truck anymore,
I'm trying to
Tracy.
save my life. My leg for other more ins and outies.
So perfect.
Where did you get these two? cool little house.
That's what exactly is real.
Road.
They're never going to do this again.
Okay, well this is where you come and get, they got tours. You can go around and see a bunch of these houses they've redone. They're pretty nice, the ones they've redone. I've been in one of them. It was pretty cool.
Inside they sell jam, and they have a bunch of old stuff, old pictures, and the old cash register.
Yeah.
It's
Do
they
really
sell
cute.
bread?
Yeah, there's a lot of antiques in there.
The historic Chesterfield was settled in 1880.
I didn't see one because it was down the road a ways.
I made it.
Yep.
Floor.
Oregon Trail
Kurt.
campsite.
Hey, you're going headed the right way.
Yep.
Keep on coming, folks.
Yep. Yeah. Whatever that means. Maybe it will tell us more here.
God, it
Buddy, shoe ran off
He's white.
right here.
I
When?
Jackrabbit?
I found one out at Spiral Jetty.
Would that be like called an albino? Okay.
So right over there was the Oregon Trail. Went through that way.
Where? Yeah, look, it's right there. My step stool. I gotta read that sign. Oh, I wished we could get in.
Welcome to Gage.
I'm glad I got the stump to get on with. Now I don't have to roll in like an old heifer. Oh,
Be careful though.
it's perfect. Look at that.
Tracy, yay!
You should let Mama use it.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's fine.
We weren't here, but we stopped here on the way.
Oh, look at this. You know what?
Black Angus is in there.
Our next adventure is to an ice cave. It's an old volcano lava tube that's underneath a field. You can't even, I don't know, Farmer John runs his tractor over it every year. It's crazy. You'll get to see.
Oh, look, I got him. Oh, what a beaut. Look at him. He is beautiful. Look at that beauty.
He's found something.
No, he's looking around. He's just gliding. He's sailing in the air. He's a sailor. Oh, he just ran a magpie off something.
He dove at something.
He's after something. Rabbits, mice. There's that rabbit!
Where?
It just went across the road.
He was diving at us.
I'm zoomed all the way out. I don't know if I can tell where they are.
Really?
Honey. So I wanted to stop and show you this, I guess it's irrigation water, hopefully. I don't know where this water comes from, but it just leaks everywhere. And it's an old wooden pipe wrapped with wire. Well, not wire, they got big bolts. Okay, we're at the Niter Ice Cave. This is the field it's below. This cave's about, I'd say, a quarter-mile long. I've been to the back a few times. I'm not gonna go all the way to the back today, but I'm gonna go in a little bit for you. Okay, here we go under the field. How far do you think you guys are going to come in?
Not very far, just right here.
Okay. This cave's pretty big. You could easily drive a truck down here if you can get in that little opening. There's a few spots where up here where it's caved in, but you can still climb over the boulders. But it stays pretty good sized cave, almost all the way to the back, and then it chokes down to a little choke off point. Well, it's bouldery. It's usually pretty muddy in here, it's slippery. Today it's pretty good.
I better do it too. That's a cool picture. Okay, ready? Thanks for joining us on Off-Road 801.